Hey guys, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means two colors. I'm showing you guys this beautiful nude that goes by the name of Toronto, and it is in the satin shine finish, as well as this popping luscious red, and that's also in the satin shine finish that goes by the name of New York City. I wanted to take you guys along as I make these wholesale orders. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick,
let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick,
let's mix it up.
Alright, first things first, my lipstick making beauties. I'm going in with 5 tablespoons of my world famous lipstick base. That's a Very Veelo base. I'll show you how to make this base on your own, but if you don't want to, you can purchase it from my website at veryveelobeauty.com. This tutorial is going to be very simple. Like I mentioned before, I'm showing you guys how to make 2 of my popular satin colors from my line, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. First of all, I'm glad to be back. Then I'm going in with 6 tablespoons of titanium dioxide, and I'll be sure to link that in the description below. I do use my titanium dioxide. I do get my titanium dioxide from Amazon, and that is basically the white pigment. And I'm just gonna go in and fold this in really well until I get all of the clumps out for the most part, and then after that I'm going to follow behind with my hand mixer. Alright, so I'm going in with the main star of the show for this color, and that is 3.5 tablespoons or 3.5 tablespoons of the brown oxide. And brown oxides usually give you a purple undertone. It is a very dark brown, and of course I want to neutralize that. So I will be going in with 5 tablespoons of the FD&C yellow number 5 Alum Lake, as well as some red. I want to add some red to this color to warm it out just a bit. So I'll be going in with some red as well. Okay, so prior to me mixing with my hand mixer, or prior to you guys mixing with a kitchen mixer or a hand mixer, whatever you have, you want to be sure that you fold your powdered color additives into your base, because you don't want a cloud in your kitchen or your workspace. So yes, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just folding in the powdered color additives into my base. I have a shop with me video showing you what powdered color additives that you need just to make about any color, and it will be listed in the description box below. So go over and watch that video. It's an in-depth video showing you where I get my back certified lakes from in order to make just about any color, as I mentioned. So as you can clearly see here, the base to powder ratio is off. So I'm going in with 4 more tablespoons of the Very Veelo lipstick base. And this happens, and when this does, it just means that you need to add more base so that the powder can get saturated by that base and you can begin to see your lipstick form. But yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm continuing to fold it in, and then I will be following with my hand mixer. Alright, so now that we have our powdered colors added in, I'm going in with 4 more tablespoons of the Very Veelo lipstick base so that I can bring out that satin shine in my nude lipstick. So this is what's going to help to make my lipstick shiny and also add a creamier texture to all of the powders and all of the ingredients that were added prior. As I fold, you can see that it is the perfect cream texture, and as you see the light reflecting off of the bowl, it has that perfect shine that I was describing, because that is what you want it with a satin shine lipstick. And here is me applying this beautiful lipstick. It has a perfect amount of brown and a perfect amount of warmth to complement my skin tone, and this is why Toronto is one of my favorite nudes. Now we're going to make New York City Satin. I'm starting off with 7 tablespoons of a Very Veelo lipstick base. And I'm doing this because I learned my lesson last time with Toronto when I added all that powder and not enough base. Yes, so to keep this ratio creamy, I went in with more base, 7 tablespoons of base prior to adding my white. This color is very simple. I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of the titanium dioxide and 6 tablespoons of the red number 40 aluminum lake, batch certified of course. And I'm going to fold this in, and I'm just about done. Not exactly done, but I'm almost done. New York City is one of those colors where I love the color properties of the FD&C Red number 40. I really like this red. I feel like this red is vibrant on its own. So that's why you see I didn't add as much white to this mixture. So it blended in perfectly. And it is that true New York City candy apple red. That's what it gives. That's the vibe it gives, which is the name. Hence the name. So I'm going in with 4 more tablespoons of base just to give us that shine that I mentioned before in our satin lipstick, and to maintain the shine, and not only that, to maintain the texture. And then right after this, I'm going in with some more lake. I'm going in with 4 more tablespoons of the FD&C Red number 40 aluminum lake, just to make sure that our color payoff is there as well. So after that, I'm going to fold this gently, and then of course I'm going to mix it out with my hand mixer, and I am done. Voila, we got us a beautiful shiny red satin liquid lipstick, and as I apply it, I am so in love. I had to build the color, but once I put on my second coat of lipstick, I was very much pleased. And yes, honey, we have made 2 satin lipsticks, Toronto and New York City. And as usual, I thank you guys for coming along with me and blessing my channel with your beautiful presence. Until next time, bye.